Skipping breakfast might save you time in the morning, but did you know it could also be stealing calcium from your bones? Especially if you're postmenopausal, this habit could be weakening your skeleton every single day. I'm Deborah Maragopoulos, an integrative nurse practitioner who helps women in midlife and beyond protect their health by balancing their hypothalamus. Studies show postmenopausal women who skip breakfast have lower bone density. Here's why. When you break your fast, your hypothalamus sends signals to raise your metabolism and rejuvenate tissues, including your bones. But if you extend your fast too long, your body starts pulling nutrients from your tissues, and your bones are one of the first places it steals it from. That's why women who go more than 12 hours without eating often struggle with bone loss. Start your day with a nourishing meal. It doesn't have to be big, but it tells your hypothalamus it's safe to start repair and renewal. Your bones become the breakfast your body eats if you fast too long. Bone health is more than calcium supplements. When your hypothalamus is supported, it helps your body protect your bones naturally. That's what Genesis Gold was designed to do. Plus, by supporting your hypothalamus, Genesis Gold helps balance all the hormones that help create strong bones. Learn more in the link below.